Hey, Waldorf, what are we going to see in here anyway?
A 3D movie. Put on your glasses, Statler.
Yeah. Hey, look! Look at the guy in the goofy mask!
That's not a mask.
Oh, sorry, lady!
For the comfort and safety of everyone around you, please no flash photography, video lighting, or cell phone usage during the show. Now put on your 3D glasses as Kermit and the Gang proudly present Muppet Vision 3D.
Really? We're the show penguins.
Yeah, I'll probably took the job for the hell of it.
Sorry, boss. Hi ho, Kermit Frog here, and welcome to Muppet Vision 3D. Now, let me show you around our research center. See, here in this modern, high-tech facility. Hey, be careful! Here in this modern, high-tech facility, we have perfected Muppet Vision 3D. A new film process which we're about to demonstrate to you. Now, working the projector is an old friend of ours, the Swedish Chef. Chef, everything okay?
Hey, they're hoping their machine is going their flumy.
Exactly. And our demonstration includes a little song from Miss Piggy. Little? Did I say little? I meant to say it's a huge, show-stopping, major song from Miss Piggy. That's more like it. Good. And we've also got a big musical finale from Sam Eagle. Sam, what's it about?
It's called A Salute to All Nations, but mostly America.
Great. So it's going to be a swell demonstration, and at no time will we be stooping to any cheap 3D tricks.
Did you say cheap 3D tricks? And here's something I wanted to spring on you.
Waldorf, it's that dumb bear again!
Yeah. Hey, Bear, you're not even funny in 3D.
Oh, not you guys. How did you get here?
We entered a contest.
Yeah, we lost!
Oh, yeah? Well, my new 3DX gonna shower you all with you. What?
He's trying to drown us! What kind of act is that?
An act of mercy.
Better luck next time, Fozzie. Okay? And now, if you'll come this way, I can show you our secret laboratory. You see, we invited distinguished scientists from all over the world to come and work here. Unfortunately, none of them showed up. So instead, I'd like to introduce you to the guys who invented Muppet Vision, and I can show you some of their... right now, I'd like to turn you over to Dr. Bunsen Honeydew and his assistant, Beaker.
Well, thank you, Mr. Kermit. Today, let's look at the advancements we've been working on for Muppet Vision. Beaker, would you turn on the machine? We Muppets have been able to grab hold of the future. The wheels of progress turn swiftly here as we strike upon ways to bring science safely to you. This user-friendly machine will now generate the first living 3D effect just by flicking a simple switch.
I'm Waldo, the spirit of 3D!
Thank you, Beaker.
Ooh, cute outfit. What's this? Don't you just hate it with those fronts? You know, all these other people think I'm talking to them, but I'm really just talking to you.
Well, I think that would be just about enough of all, Beaker. You may deactivate.
What? What are you... What?
Oh dear, he won't deactivate. Ladies and gentlemen, there's nothing to worry about, but please keep your heads down.
I'm messing up people's heads.
Beaker, activate the inflatomatic.
The what? You...
Hurry, Baker, hurry.
Great! Oh, now I can start my own football team!
Baker, I have to try the vacuum Muppet. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, we're all 50 degrees like the Armstrong family.
Hey, I'm free! Taxi! All right, now I'm getting out of this place.
This way, folks. I'm sorry, but Muppet Lab seems to have been temporarily sucked up. But, what is that?
Hey, come in. See, it's my new remote control banana green pie. Hey, come in. Watch this.
What? Ozzy, that's terrible.
You're right. Needs more sugar.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, for the first musical portion of our demonstration, we have Miss Piggy in a wonderful 3D number. That's you, Penguins.
Doesn't it look good?
Yeah, too bad they're gonna spoil it for the pig.
La 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 la. Oh, sun shining bright above you. Soft breezes seem to whisper, I love you. Birds singing in the sycamore tree. Look in my eyes and kiss me. Just hold me tight and tell me you miss me. Oh, I'm like alone in blue restless sea. No troubles as life goes on, dear. Still craving a kiss. Oh, my goodness.
But it was going so well. But I was just doing 3D. Guess I won't be needing this.
What's that?
It was for the big water skiing finale.
What are you doing?
What do you mean?
You are ruining this film.
Well, I was just trying to help. I didn't need anything.
Go away. Go away.
Does anybody know the way out of this film? Hey, you got a map down there? Well, you come to me if you like. I just got fired and I'm running away. Terrific! Let's go. Okay.
Hey, Bean, what's up?
I'm going away forever.
Oh, great. Could you get me a sandwich? Would any of you people like anything? Since he's going out, he could forever. Bean? Bean? Oh, Kermit! Kermit!
Hey, sweetheart, that's a great effect.
Hey, Fuzzy, Kermit! What is it? Bean Bunny ran away!
Oh, no.
Yes!
Hard riddance. We gotta find him.
I know!
Everybody spread out and look for me.
I'll go this way.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll continue the show in just a moment. But in the meantime, if you see a rabbit, holler.
Big.
Bean? Oh, Bean.
Bean! Bean! Where are you? Bean!
Barney! Hey, what's all the commotion about? Barney ran away. Well, you know what that makes him?
Smarter than us.
Hey, anybody seen a bunny? I don't see a bunny. Where? Where? Oh, not up there, but a bunny. A bunny? Me!
Hi, sweetums.
Hey, Kermit, look!
Bean, what are you doing out there?
I'm running away. Nobody would let me help in the movie.
This is a very moving moment.
Yeah, I wish they'd move it to Pittsburgh.
Hey,
we're both leaving the movie.
Right. If you leave, you'll miss all the fireworks.
Right, yeah.
Fireworks? Ooh.
Okay, I'll stay, but I want to help.
Gee, is there anything Bean can do in the final number?
Oh, gosh, maybe Bean could set off the fireworks.
That sounds great!
Yeah, and I'll stay and help. I love fireworks.
Okay. Sam, are you about ready?
Yes, it's a glorious 3-hour finale.
You got a minute and a half. Okay, everybody, get ready. Ladies and gentlemen, the Muppets proudly present the final demonstration of Muppet Vision 3D. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to apologize for our slight technical difficulties, but I do wish to assure you that no one was hurt, and this theater suffered only minor damage. So thank you very much for coming to see this demonstration of Muppet Vision technology, and enjoy the rest of your stay, and come see us again sometime.
They'll never recognize you now. Forward!
What a cute ending.
Well, what do you think? We have time to go to the bathroom before the next show? We can't, you old fool. We're bolted to the seat.
On behalf of Kermit and the gang, thank you for joining us. Please gather all of your personal belongings and exit through the doors to your right. Remember to deposit those 3D glasses in the purple bins outside. Have a wonderful day here at Disney's Hollywood Studios.